Reggae Nation is at the launch of Sumfest Productions, Reggae Sumfest 2013. We caught up with the legendary Sly of the legendary group, Sly and Robbie. Sly,
I'm cool,
it's good to see you.
It's great to see you too.
Sumfest celebrating 21 years as a veteran musician in the business. Comment on their success.
Well, I think that's grown and, and every year they seem to get better and better. A lot of people sometimes think it's not going to be good. But at the end of the concert, it always comes out with a great artist performance. I think everything just relies on the performance of the artists, and they have some great artists on the stage, so I think it's going to be good.
Okay. Can you recall your best Sumfest moment?
Well, one of my best Sumfest moments was, I think, the night with Lionel Richie. Yeah, that was
quite
wicked.
recently.
Yeah, that was wicked, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, all of them have been good, but that one was, Lionel Richie was really
excellent performance.
Will you be at Sumfest?
No, I don't think I will be there. I'll be out of the country, but I'll be watching it still. Yeah?
Okay. Thanks so much, Sly.
You're welcome. Alright.
We just popping up on you.
That's alright.
Alright, that's Reggae Nation at the launch of Sumfest Productions, Reggae Sumfest 2013, having a good chat with Sly of Sly and Robbie.
Alright.